Hey, it's Faye. Guess what we're doing today? Men's pure Blackhead Strips. I did not know that we were categorized. Bro, I'll have you know that I have a lot of energy today because this is my second cup of coffee. Ow! Today's video is actually in partnership with Cometeer. So before we jump into our little men's Blackhead Strip, let me show you guys how I made my coffee.
Cometeer really said, Faye, get up. Melting is the new making, and I love how sustainable Cometeer aims to be in the coffee ecosystem. Cometeer introduces a new way of making coffee as it's the only 100% brewed coffee that's flash frozen, lacking in freshness of each unique flavor. I prefer iced coffee, so all I did was pick a flavor. In my case, I wanted to try this Chabesa coffee this morning that's infused with these rich notes. Like, you wouldn't expect a strawberry palette of some sort in coffee. At least I didn't. It's so easy. I pull these straight out of my freezer and run it under hot water. If time permits, I like to toss it in a hot cup of water as I prepare some ice and 6 to 8 ounces of H2O. The only labor that there is to do is literally peeling the lid off of these alumni capsules and wabam! Coffee. The body gives an amazing fragrance with notes of that fruitier aroma. However, I do like to dress my coffee up as I would on a day-to-day, so I added some creamer and just take in how tangy and beautiful that looks. Delicious, of course. If you're a coffee connoisseur with monthly shipments, Cometeer comes right to your door with a variety of amazing roasters. It's so fast and convenient. Pull it out of your freezer and melt it into your hot or cold beverage. It saves so much time and money. No need to keep spending daily for quality coffee, sis. Now that we have our energy, let's go back upstairs.
Oh, you didn't see? There, you're back. I am a blackhead girl. Over the years, if you've been watching me review Biore Blackhead Strips, you would know that they're pretty impressive. They have to be the top brand. I've researched online why these are men's Biore products. The only information provided to me that I found, at least, is the fact that men just have bigger noses and these sheets are supposed to be wider spread for a big old nose. But who says women don't have big old nose? Why are we saying that? Some people who reviewed these strips said that they are stronger. They look the dang same size to me. Very familiar fiber texture nose strip, like any other nose strip that we've tried. I'm just intrigued to see how tough you can be, my guy. Do you make a cute couple? This is in all Japanese, so. But we have pictures. This is my nose before. Lots and lots of congestion. I have not done a blackhead strip in so long. It's probably been the longest that I've went without doing one for maybe over 5 months now. I'm really hoping to get the sides of my nose cleared out because they look gross and rough. They need some TLC. If this nose strip does not pull out all my sebaceous filaments and blackheads to the amount that I can mush it up into guacamole, then I don't want it. So with that being said, the first step is to wet your nose. Instead of just wetting my nose, I'm actually gonna take a hot steam towel. Okay, not steam. I'm using hot water and I'm gonna open up my pores. Let this sit on my nose for just a minute.
I'm shy. I'm so shy. I'm not shy, I'll say it. I've been picturing you.
Okay, now that we have that, I'm just squeezing excess water to make sure it's like damp. And then, oh, the glossy side is what we want to stick onto our nose. I want it to really seep into the sides of my nose. Press that in. I don't care too much about the outskirts. Squeeze that on. And don't know how long we wait. Until I feel like crusty, dusty, I think we'll be ready.
Butterfly in the sky.
You hear that? That's your mama. It's been about 15 minutes and I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty itchy. At first I was like, oh my god, am I having a reaction? It's not, it's just stiff and bulking into my skinny face, my chubby cheeks. So yeah, once it's hard enough where someone can literally sucker punch you in the nose and you won't feel it, you're ready to go. It is so stiff. So I see why this is dangerous for your skin. Don't do this frequently. Don't say I didn't warn you. It is so dry and flaky. This is crispy, bruh. Hold on, I might have to like... Do you hear that? It's cracking. Okay, I'm just gonna wet the edges. I don't know, man. the geekies. Don't be a sucker. Take it like a man. My nose is ready. It's stretching so hard, it's stretching my eyelid. How do people peel it upward? We're just gonna rip it off like we're waxing. 1, 2. My nose feels so dry. Concerning dry. Oh my god, I literally stripped off my nose hairs. 2 in 1, a wax strip too. It looks cleaner. What do you guys think, besides it being red? It's actually super smooth. I do feel like not all my pores are fully clean. I do see some big cookies here. I think this is a good amount, a solid amount to make guacamole out of, but not like a satisfying guacamole. Oh my god. So right around this tip area, it pulled out so much. A cluster, some may say. A group of barbarians. Same with this side. So it really did get into this area of concern of mine. It's pretty disgusting if you look at it. A forest fire was on its way. I expected worse. I am still very shocked, but who wouldn't be if you saw a pile of trolls like that? I can't tell if the pain level is the same or not, or if it's as tight or tough, or even if the strip is wider than a normal strip. I wouldn't say it's something you necessarily have to try. A Blackhead Strip is a Blackhead Strip to me. Still a very decent one. BRA. That brand is always on par, so take it as you want. But honestly though, my nose looks really good right now, so it just feels and looks purified. I mean, why not? I recommend it. Can you just see me shining and glowing? My nose? That is the end of this men's Blackhead Strip review. I need to go on Amazon or something and find like the newest, like most innovated thus far 2022 to try for you guys. Throw it back about. Like this video if you enjoyed, and until next time, I'm sending love. Bye!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't